Your paycheck just hit your account. Before you buy a single thing, even a coffee, there's one move you need to make first, and most people never do it. If you skip this step, your paycheck disappears before the month even starts. Let me show you exactly what to do instead. Meet Sarah and Mike. Same job, same salary, same payday. But 6 months from now, their bank accounts look nothing alike. Sarah gets paid and starts spending right away. A coffee here, a delivery order there. Nothing crazy, just normal life. Mike does one thing differently. The moment his paycheck lands, a chunk of it moves automatically before he even opens his banking app. By the end of the month, Sarah's account is nearly empty. Mike's account already has money working for him, and he didn't have to think about it. Fast forward a year. Sarah has almost nothing saved. Mike has thousands sitting in savings and investments. Same income, completely different results. This isn't about how much you make. It's about what you do in the first 10 minutes after you get paid. This is called pay yourself first. It means your savings and investments get paid before rent, before bills, before anything else. Most people do this backwards. They pay bills, they spend, and whatever's left, if anything, goes to savings. Flip that order and everything changes. When saving happens first, it's not optional anymore. You're forced to live on the rest, and you barely notice the difference. So, here's exactly how to split every paycheck. I'm going to break it down into 3 simple buckets. Bucket 1, 10 to 20% goes straight into savings or investing. This is your future, retirement, investments, an emergency fund. Bucket 2, 50 to 60% covers your needs. Rent, groceries, utilities, insurance, the things that keep your life running. Bucket 3, 20 to 30% is for wants. Eating out, entertainment, shopping, guilt-free because it's already budgeted. That's it, 3 buckets. And the secret is making sure bucket 1 happens automatically before you can touch the money. Sarah never set this up, so her savings bucket stays empty every single month. Mike set it up once, and it fills itself now. Here's exactly how Mike set it up, and how you can copy it in the next 10 minutes. Step 1. Open a separate savings account, one that isn't linked to your everyday debit card. Out of sight really does mean out of mind. Step 2. Set up an automatic transfer that moves money the same day your paycheck lands, not 3 days later when you've already spent it. Step 3. Pick your percentage. If 10 to 20% feels like too much right now, start with 5%. The habit matters more than the number. Step 4. If your job offers a 401k match, make sure you're contributing enough to get the full match. That's free money you're leaving on the table otherwise. Step 5. Optional. Use a round-up savings app that rounds every purchase to the nearest dollar and saves the difference. Small, but it adds up fast. 5 steps. Maybe 10 minutes of setup. And once it's done, you never have to think about it again. Every single payday from here on, this system runs in the background, whether you remember it or not. Now here's where most people mess this up, even after they know all of this. They plan to transfer the savings manually later, after bills. But by the time later comes, the money's already spent on something else. Willpower doesn't work here. Automation does. If you have to remember to save, you probably won't. Let the system do it for you. Quick bonus tip. Once your emergency fund covers 3 to 6 months of expenses, redirect that same automatic transfer into investing instead. That's when your money really starts to grow, because now it's not just sitting there, it's working for you. This one habit is the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and actually building wealth over time. Remember Mike? He didn't earn more than Sarah. He just decided his future got paid first, every single time. So, today, after this video, before you spend a single dollar of your next paycheck, go set up that automatic transfer. Quick recap. Open a separate account, automate the transfer, pick your percentage, check your 401k match, and optionally add roundup savings. If this hit home, hit subscribe. Mr. Finance Buddy drops a new one every week to help you build wealth quietly, one smart decision at a time. See you in the next one.